I'm going to be completely honest with you. Trading with a full time job is extremely difficult. And it usually goes a few different ways, which I'm sure you can relate to. You're sitting in a meeting at your job, you can't check the charts at all. Or you check your trades and you might be in one. And when you finally get a chance to check them again, you're looking over your shoulder the whole time trying to see if your boss or your manager or your director is walking up to see you on TradingView on MetaTrader or whatever platform you're on. Or you're commuting to work right during the peak prime time of New York session where we have most of the volume. And there's nothing you really can do about it because you in rush hour traffic driving to work. And by the time you get home, probably dog tired. One, you've been working all day. You got a family, you got responsibilities. Like you got to think about it. We're husbands, we have wives, we have children. Now, how do I know all of this? Because I lived it. I used to be in meetings with clients, senior managers, directors, and I literally have my trading view alert going off, beep, beep, beep. And I'm like, oh, shoot. And they sitting there looking around like, what's that? I'm playing crazy, like, I don't know what that is. I'm knowing I had a trade open and there's nothing I can do about it. And I spend the rest of the meeting trying to sneak a quick little peek so I can, look at it and close out my profit. Or I be there trying to hurry up and take notes. As soon as I get back to my little cubicle, my desk, man, I'm rushing back so I can go ahead and close it out. And the whole time, what am I doing? Looking over my shoulder, making sure, the director don't come up because I was in finance. So usually they come up, talk to me. Or the same with the commute that you're dealing with. I had that too. I had an hour drive to work and an hour drive from work. I started keeping literally a travel laptop. So I have a main laptop and I have one just for travel. I would keep that in my car just in case I had to pull over on the side of the highway, which I've done several times, right? Now that's how dedicated I was. Obviously, everybody's situation is different, right? We can't all do things exactly the same, but the good news is there is a solution. And that's exactly what I'm going to cover with you in this video today, right? So make sure you stay to the end to get the solution. If you're new to the channel, my name is James Strong. I'm a full-time trader, and I went from working 10, 12, and sometimes 16-hour days at my 9 to 5 to now living abroad with my wife and my daughter and trading full-time. And I coach traders just like you who've been stuck for a while, who can't really seem to break through that consistency wall. And I help them get unstuck so they can finally reach profitability. Now, like I mentioned, trading with a full time job is extremely difficult. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat it with you, but it is possible. I've lived that exact problem myself. And here's the thing, it's also very simple to fix once you know specifically what to look for and what to do. And it's not more screen time. It's not sneaking off to the bathroom 15 times a day trying to catch a glimpse of the charts on your phone. It's having things in order, right? That fixes this. So we have to first understand what problems actually are causing this to then fix it. One of the main problems that first causes this is chasing trades instead of actually letting them come to you. Now, a lot of people are taught, including myself, right? You look at trading on the lower time frame, like the 5 minute, because that, of course, the lower down the time frame, and we're speaking if we're using the same amount of assets, the more candles, the more trade opportunities. Doesn't mean they're better, right? But the more opportunities. And most people get taught this first because it's fast. They get in and out, and they're like, "Oh, I made my money, in and out 15 minutes." Kind of like it's a flex when it's, to each his own, right? But nobody tells you that you can lose just as fast on the time frame as you can win. Everybody talks about how fast you can win. Oh, they made $200, $300, $5, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. They don't tell you when they lost $1,000, $2,000 in 15, 20 minutes either, right? And if all your analysis and your decisions are happening down there on that small time frame, you're completely blind to the big picture, right? You're not seeing the big picture for what it really is, which means you have to be watching constantly just to not get dominated and ran over. The second problem is a lot of people try to watch too many pairs or too many instruments at one time. Thing is, high quality setups don't happen all the time. For example, today, I did not trade. I had 2 days this week I didn't trade on, well, let me just say this, right? I'm a little different because I trade a lot. I intraday, I swing, and I have options. So Fridays though, typically because the volume a little lighter. So today I'm gonna speak just for my intraday. I had no intraday moves today whatsoever. None. Right. And there also was a day like maybe Wednesday. Nothing I traded Wednesday. Yesterday as well. Yesterday, no moves. But then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they had moves. So I had no moves beginning this week. That's how it should be, right? We don't want to be jumping between an asset or looking at multiple every day just to trying to find a trade. But what a lot of people do is they want to trade and move, and because we're trained through these jobs. Hey, you may be on salary now, but all of us have had jobs primarily, right? We've been kids or younger. I don't care how many you had when you work hourly. And even now, it's like you get your salary, but you got to work 40 hours, right? You can't go in that joint and be like, hey, I'm going to work 15 hours this week. I want my same check. They're going to say, James, boy, you crazy as hell. Like, you know what I mean? You're going to take this pay cut or you better be here at least 40 hours. So you're trained mentally to be like, yo, I need at least 40 hours a week in a job. That's programmed 40 hours, 40 hours, 40 hours and shit. I'm going to be honest with you. Nowadays, as much as stuff costs, most people working 40 plus hours, you know what I mean? Or like a career like I had, I'm working 60-hour weeks. Or some people got 2 jobs because stuff's so expensive nowadays. But everybody's trained, you got to work more hours. That's contradictory in the market. All you need to do is find a high probability setups. But a lot of people, they start looking at more assets and more pairs if it's forex, or more instruments if it's our stocks or our options or our futures. And they're trying to find more setups, but you don't need more, right? Think about it like every extra pair you're trying to watch multiplies how much screen time you actually need. You can't watch but so much. And when you got a full-time job, that math don't even make sense, right? You know what I'm saying? That math don't math. This is not about, you watch more and you get more. It's about looking at the correct opportunities and being there to take advantage when they happen. And a third problem I often see as well is people are usually relying on mainly watching a trade. Obviously, I don't mean you have to have an algorithm. Again, I have algorithms trading too, right? This is what I do. That's why it's called market made wealth. It's about making wealth, using the financial markets to build wealth. You know what I'm saying? One trade at a time. But it shows up typically as like constantly checking whenever you get a chance. That's too manual. You need to automate a lot of the process and create a system. Without a system telling you what to look for and when, watching the chart is the only tool you have to make money. And that's why a lot of people are glued to the charts. I can tell you right now, for me personally, right? Well, let me just finish this point, and I'm gonna give you an example because this is the main one right here. If there's no system deciding what to look for at what time and when to get in, and you're forced to kind of compensate by watching all the time and watching everything, it's exactly what a full-time job does not allow you to do. And a lot of my career or like my background and what really helped me was truthfully, I was in these situations where I really couldn't trade because of my job, and it was like a blessing in disguise. And so I was forced to start, that's how I actually stumbled upon and started creating these systems, right? So for me personally, it depends on which one, right? If I'm swinging, whatnot, but all of mine combined, right? If I'm swinging or I'm intraday trading or I'm doing my options, which is like primarily a weekly strategy. So I might be on that 15 minutes to begin the week on Monday. And, that's it. And I'm actually dropping another video about that on the growth of one of my options accounts, over 30+%, literally in like 5 weeks. So be on the lookout for that video too if I haven't dropped it already before I drop this one. But I only mark up for a total, all that 30 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm just waiting. That's really it. Now, how you fix this, right? How you fix all these issues so you can trade while you have a full-time job and build up, right? The same things I've done. First and foremost, you want to begin to zoom out. Go on higher time frames for your actual analysis. Look for specific criteria and patterns that tend to happen at a specific time of day and let those tell you, right? Tell you what something's paying attention to. You don't need to be staring, thinking like, okay, this, all right here. I need to be here because the next 5 minutes could be it. Like, no, that's not what you need to be doing, man. Let your system come to you, right? Don't be thirsty. It's the same thing with a female, man. You over here pressed up, hi, you're looking mighty nifty and swell. I love the man. You look corny, right? You know what I'm saying? You gotta just be chill, be yourself, man, and wait till she like, yo, hey, he didn't got the fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? Like, beard looking good. Hey, what's his name? Oh, that's James. You know what I mean? I always ain't talking about me. You know what I mean? My lady getting upset. Nah, I'm just joking. But nah, man, like you want to be there when the opportunity becomes available. You don't want to be thirsty chasing after it because just like money, just like women, as you chase it, it's going to reject you. I ain't gonna get too deep. I ain't getting the law of attraction, all that stuff, but like that's a real concept. That's a real thing, right? Secondly, you want to do your markups at a set time. Do them when you can do them. Do them when you see that it fits, right? This is how we have to build a whole system in the edge before work. First thing when you get into your job. And once it's done, set your alerts and you're finished until something notifies you and one of your alerts gets triggered or goes off. If the alert goes off, you check it. If it does not, boom, that's it. You don't need to be watching it because the system are watching it for you. The systems you have in place. So you can look at this like an alarm system. I don't need to be outside with a baseball bat and a pocket knife, you know what I'm saying, walking up and down my hallway in my house. I know me, my wife, and my daughter, we good because I got cameras around the house. We got a gate outside. And if that thing goes off, that alert, that alarm goes off, boom. Until then, I know we're good. That's how this is for you. This is your alarm system that's working for you 24/7. Nobody, I don't care. I pride myself on being a very disciplined person. Everybody who knows me knows James, bro. James different, right? You know what I mean? That's the blessing of why I'm at where I'm at now. You know, I was able to leave corporate right before I turned 30 and leave my corporate 9 to 5. Now, obviously, I'm still putting in work because one decision don't mean you there forever, right? You got to put in work every day. But now I'm 30 years old, living abroad, my wife, and my daughter, trading full time, right? I don't care, even the most disciplined person, and I'm not the most disciplined. I'm saying I'm very disciplined. LeBron, Steph Curry, nobody is disciplined enough to watch the charts 24/7. We are human. We all make mistakes. We gotta sleep. We gotta eat. But your system doesn't need you to be perfect. It just needs you to execute properly when you need to, and that's it. And it's going to do the rest of the work. Now, again, like I said, I have personal experience with this because of my job. I had to start working a essentially like a set and forget type of approach, type of system. And I had to create this. I'm like, man, like I can't be in these meetings. Again, I was working from 6 to 6 on average. I'm like, God, like in all these meetings all day, people calling me. I'm right between. I'm in $500 million projects. Everybody always need me. I'm in every financial fire. I'm like, yo, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? So I do my markups, I set my alerts, and I would just wait for it to come to me like real sniping. Now, I don't mean sniping like the term they've coined back in the day on, sniper entries, right? Kids using the term when it comes to trade. But I mean, like real like deer hunting. You know what I'm saying? Real sniping. You sit in the deer stand, bro, and that's what trading really is. You sit in that deer stand. Now, I'm from North Carolina originally now, you know what I'm saying? So we got some country too. We got some twang to us, right? You sit in that deer stand and you wait. And you don't move, you don't piss, you don't nothing. You better not fart too hard. That deer gonna smell it. And you wait for that deer until the opportunity comes, squirrel, rabbit, whatever, right? That's what you do with a good opportunity as well and a good trade. You just sit there, wait, and be patient. Some days nothing comes. But then those days when you wait, it's so worth it. You know what I mean? And what that allowed me to start doing was actually generating income while I was still working my job. Now, sometime I'll be honest with you, I'll be on my chart. Like I remember one day vividly. I had several days where I made more money from my job than my job paid me from trading. I'd be in the back, man. We had some meetings do like 5:36 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like company wide meetings. I'd be in the back on my phone trading view, watching it hit TP, boop, $400. You know what I mean? And this is my capital because I primarily trade personal capital. And then I go back to the office, ding, 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 alert go off. I got another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. That way, again, if I ain't gotta watch it, I knew when it was. Okay, now I can all of a sudden need to go to the bathroom real quick or something. Boom, I go, get in that trade, set my stop loss, TP, everything. I'm good, right? Now I gotta manage it. I'm just looking, you know what I'm saying, making sure nothing crazy happening, no news, nothing, which I check that too. But using these and then boom, hit that one profit too, right? So I had literally made almost a week in that day. This is also how I began to start swing trading too later on. But using this, man, these simple base hits, this system, this is how I started making the income. This is how I started getting, again, I mainly like my account, my personal money because you control it's not these crazy rules. But I started getting the prop firm accounts as well on the side as extra. And I started paying off our debt, right? Because again, I knew I wanted to get out of the rat race eventually. You know what I'm saying? Just because truthfully, man, my mental, my health, like my physical health, my mental health, everything was like with these jobs, bro, was kind of stressing me out. I'm like, bro, I can't do this forever. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't go through this type of hell. You know what I'm saying? Like shout out to our parents and the people who came before us who all they knew was hard work. But I'm like, nowadays, we don't got to sit there and go through this torture. Like we can do something about it. You know what I mean? Like it's not worth getting sick over, or you know what I mean, your body degrading, your mind degrading, like, and you just, like I know so many people who have drinking problems, bro, because of jobs, and they just act like it's normal. I'm like, bro, that's not normal that people just gotta every weekend get drunk because they so stressed out. I used to get migraines. Bro, I remember my first job when we moved to Texas, bro, when I was like 23 years old, my first corporate job, like in the real world. I would get a migraine. My boss was so fucking evil, bro. Like, not even sugarcoat it. I would get a migraine every Monday or every Sunday, thinking about going to work. And every Friday, bro, I would have to vent to my wife, who was my girlfriend at the time, just to get through, bro. Cause I was like so stressed out. You know what I'm saying? And back then we were young, man, moving here. We didn't know nobody. I was the only income we had, bro. And I was just like, dang, I ain't know what to do. We ain't had no family here. We ain't had no friends here, like no nothing, bro. And I'm just like, yo, it was during COVID. You know what I'm saying? Everybody locked down, bro. I'm like, what's going on? But man, look, again, thank God I'm out of that. But my point is that's why too I got such a drive and work ethic, like because of the situations I've been through. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why I swing, that's why I enter, that's why I do all these things. But again, whatever you want to do, it works differently for different people. I built this framework, like I said, like, because of this, I was able to set this up, use these things, get out of debt, boom, change my life, and continue to now. I'm still learning. I'm in my algorithm programming phase. I'm really getting my swinging polished up, because that's been really changing the game for me too. The swing trading is amazing. You know what I'm saying? Along with this, right? I like both of them because when swings too depend a lot on volume, right? Let's give you a little nugget before we continue, and I'm gonna wrap up, right? Swings depend on a lot of volume. So when the volume goes away, the intraday a lot of times picks it up. But vice versa, when the intraday has kind of been a little, a little finicky, boom, my swings be paying me. So my portfolio right now is so diversified between intraday, swing trading, options, and algos. I'm pretty much making money consistently. You know what I mean? And I don't mean you got to be risking the ton, right? You step it up and you just start continuously building that portfolio. And again, I'm gonna have that video drop soon, so be on the lookout for the option video. And I'm gonna show you that as well, of just one example of the many things that you can do in this market. But I built this exact framework for students. I've adjusted it directly to each person's schedule. Like, for example, I got a guy who's stationed in the military, stationed in Kuwait, right? He trades Asian session at night because that's when it fits his life. And he's already passed several top step challenges and gotten his first payouts and everything, man. Like, text me all the time. Hey, I'm like, hey, bro, shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? So once this process is actually built around your life instead of the other way around, man, you stop needing more screen time because the screen time is not the answer. It's not what produces the results. The process is what produces the results. And if you want help building a system like this around your schedule, your job, your family, and everything else going on in your life, then apply for coaching below and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. The link is in the description. And if you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe. I'm dropping videos like this every single week to help you go from where you are to where you actually want to be, baby. You feel me? So all it takes is the right person to guide you there. And that's exactly what I'm here for. Until next time, much love.